In this demonstration, we're going to look at how you draw lines on your layout or your report using the Sage Report Designer. We'll be using an invoice layout in Sage Accounts in this example, however it's exactly the same steps if you're using Sage 50 Payroll. Once you've selected your report or your layout on the list, just at the top click Edit and that opens it in the Sage Report Designer. Now to add a line to our layout or report, we could do one of two things. From the toolbox, we can choose Draw Line, or if you've got it displayed, the little toolbar at the top, you've got a Draw Line option. Both gives you access to exactly the same option. Once we've clicked the option, we move our mouse onto the layout or the report where we want to insert the line. You'll see it turns to a cross. We can click at that point, it gives us a little line that we can just drag the end of the line using the button. Just hold the mouse down and drag it to where you want it so you've got the relevant size. We can also drag it into position wherever we want to put that. And when we do select it, we've also got options in the Dynamic Help window on the side. Don't worry if it's a bit slanted at the moment, we'll come on to that one in just a moment. But if you get it roughly into the right position and the right size as well. Now what we can do when we've got it selected, we've got the Dynamic Help down the left hand side. Now if that isn't displayed, so you've selected the line in that Dynamic Help box isn't there, just go to View, Dynamic Help, and you'll get the options available relating to whatever you've got selected on the layout. So with our lines selected, we've got an options to change the line style. So we can change from a solid line to a line of dashes or dots or a combination of that. We can change the colour. So loads of options on there, including a custom colour option at the bottom. We'll just leave our set to black, and also you can adjust the width as well. So if you want to make it a bit more prominent, we can go for a slightly higher value. So we set ours to 3 points, click OK, and it's a bit thicker then. We've got options to span width, so we can set it to the full width of the document if we wanted to. We can suppress printing as well, so we can see it, but it won't actually print. And also, if you do find it's not quite, maybe you can't quite get it horizontal or vertical, you can use these options here for the alignment. So we can either leave it as drawn, which doesn't look very good in this example, or we can set it to horizontal or vertical for that matter. So let's just set it back to horizontal, and that's it done. So that's how easy it is to work with lines on your reports or your layouts. One good little tip, if you do use things like say window envelopes, let's just delete that one. So maybe you use window envelopes, and what you can do is insert a little fold line. So you just need to get it in the right position, so draw a line. I'll just click on the side there, get it roughly in the right position. I'll set it to horizontal as well, just make it a little bit smaller. Just adjust it slightly so that when we print out we know where to fold that document. But that's how easy it is to work with lines within the Sage Report Designer.